Good afternoon, everyone. I am here to discuss the world energy scenario and Indian energy scenario. And the subject is electrical power generation and economy as prescribed by RGPV. My name is Niti Dugaya and the subject code is EX503 as per RGPV syllabus for EX student, that is electrical and electronics stream. So as you can see here, the world energy scenario, the whole energy which comes in the global context is majorly from oil, and the oil is taking almost 38% of its stake, then gas around 15% stake. Before that, electricity contributes almost 21% in the total world energy, and biofuels and waste almost 12%, coal 11%, heat 3.3%, and rest others like wind, solar, etc. Out of this 20% or almost 21% of electricity, 83% is being consumed by the end users, that is customers, like what I have, consuming, sitting in my room, like fan, light, and this laptop is being charged also. So the electrical energy consumed by end user makes 83% part, and which is taken by most of the population of the world. 8% of the electricity is being utilized in transport and distribution losses, and the rest of 9% electricity is being used by the electricity industry. Now, how this electricity generation is to be classified? Now, the electricity generation, which constitute almost 21% of the world energy supply, this major stake, coal takes almost 39%, 38% of electricity energy generation contribution is from coal side, that is from thermal power plants, and hydro makes 16.3%, and then gas contributes around 23% of the total electricity production. Then wind energy contributes of 4.4%, solar power 1.7%, geothermal 0.3%, oil makes 3.3%, nuclear 10.2%, biofuels 1.9%, other waste 0.4%. So this is world energy scenario. Now let's talk about the Indian energy scenario. As per the installed capacity, as far as the data is concerned, till 2018, the India is having installed, according to India's cumulative installed power capacity, as per the sources data received from CEA, MNRE, Mercom India Solar Project Tracker, we'll be having percentage contribution of various sources of electricity which is being developed in Indian scenario. Like coal is making very important part, and it is almost 56.23%, right? Then comes the renewable energy, 21.41%, then hydro 13% almost, then gas 7.13%, nuclear 1.94%, diesel 0.24%, and the 21.41% of renewable energy is again divided into wind energy, solar, biopower, and small hydro. Then wind energy plays 9.93%, solar 7.46%, biopower 2.70%, and small hydro 1.29%, and waste to power almost contributes 0.04%. So this is all about the world and Indian energy scenario. In next lecture, I will be telling you about the energy sustainability. So thank you, everyone.